Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside the Steam desktop app. Sign in if you haven't already and go straight to library. Use the search box and filters to narrow results because hidden games still exist but won't appear by default. Open the left sidebar, click the small down arrow beside libraries or your username to reveal extra views, and make sure hidden or categories are visible. This immediately prepares the interface so you can unhide without hunting through many menus. Once visible, you're ready for the next step. Once your library shows extra views, choose the Hidden Games view or apply the hidden filter to list only concealed titles. Scan the list and right-click the game you want to restore. This opens the context menu where managing options live. Select Manage, then choose Remove from Hidden or Unhide. Steam will return the game to its previous category and library position. Make sure to repeat for each title you want visible. If a game doesn't reappear, proceed to the final verification steps. After unhiding, refresh the library view and restart Steam to confirm changes. Many visibility issues resolve with a simple restart. If a title still doesn't show, right-click it in Hidden View or Search, open Properties, and verify game files to prompt Steam to reindex the entry. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the download cache or sign out and back in to force a client refresh. This fixes most sync and visibility glitches and ensures the unhidden games appear where expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.